So Asher, what are you working on in this project?
I'm working on parallelizing the web scraping efforts and just trying to make it more efficient to actually grab the code snippets and text and everything from Stack Overflow. And yeah, that's basically what I'm doing. I found a good repository for a tool that we can use to help parallelize it, and it's going really well, yeah.
So Denton, how are you enjoying Red Hat?
Red Hat is an amazing company, actually. Their facilities are really nice. They have a lot of activities here for the new interns to do, so I got to compete in a scavenger hunt with a lot of other Red Hat interns who will be here year-round, here from the Czech Republic, and we won, so that was really amazing. And they are really mission-oriented, so just getting to hear about the other projects that they've been doing, they're just an incredible company to work for. So loving my time here, loving getting to work with the people here, it's been really great.
Jonathan, what were you doing?
So we're working on trying to detect code copies in code snippets from Stack Overflow. And so the part of the project I'm working with is working on code sanitation and making the abstract syntax trees from these code snippets so that we can actually compare them with our input and so forth. So it's been a lot of work there, and it's been just really fun and really gratifying to have just so much code to do and keeping busy all the time. So it's been a fun project. I've enjoyed it. So Caleb, how would you compare this project this month with last month's project?
One thing I really like about this project is that we're building it from scratch. For last month at CTU in Prague, we were thrown into a project, the MySCPC website, and thrown into testing that. But here we were just given, hey, we want you to write a Python script that will do this, that will copy two repositories and compare the code between them. And I'm really enjoying getting to work on a project from scratch. So that's been a lot of fun for me.
So Stephanie, what have you been doing?
Okay, so I've been working on, well, these past couple days I've been reading some research papers on how we can develop a method to compare ASTs in order to detect code clones in the repositories and directories.
What would you say has been your favorite part about this new project that we're doing?
I would say the fact that we've created it from scratch is really awesome. I like being able to start with ideas and then go from where we want to code versus adding on to someone else's code. And I think our project is good. We're comparing two repositories and seeing if there's any duplication, and it's a very promising thing. So I like the fact that it's our brainchild of a project instead of us adding on to another project.
Tell me about what your contribution to this project is.
Yeah, so our project is basically when you have a code base, you want to test to see if any of it's copied from Stack Overflow, which has a whole bunch of code snippets on the website. And so thus far, we've kind of come up with our own data structure to make testing very quick and easy. And so I've been working at implementing that. And then other than that, it's just been kind of some architectural design choices and coordinating with everyone else, and everyone's contributing a lot, so it's been a lot of fun.
Jan, you have been working on some project with me previously. How is it different now in Brno, and how do you like it here?
I like it very much. I like that we can apply all sorts of things we've already developed into our project, and it's very nice to see the students there are able to apply all things and make use of it in their work. And I'm very happy that we are moving towards papers and applying all new stuff we've done into experiments and pushing it into something that is tangible and that is publishable and that is simply nice.